Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 4. Here is the fourth question. The side of the certain triangles are given below. Find which of them is right triangle. Here they have given us three values, and these three values are the sides of the triangle. 16 centimeter, 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter are the sides of a triangle, and find which of them is right triangle. So they have given the three values and they are saying to find whether it is a right angle or not, right? So how to find whether it is a right angle triangle or not is, let's assume a diagram. So this is a right angle triangle. It's just an assumption, right? And we need to find whether it's a right angle triangle or not. Let's assume it is a right angle triangle. So the diagram will be like this, and they have given the three lengths, right? That is 16, 20 centimeter and 12 centimeter. From this, we don't know which is a hypotenuse, right? So we need to find which is hypotenuse. So we all know that there is two ways to find the hypotenuse. That is the length. Always the hypotenuse is larger side, right? The length of the side will be larger. Among this, 20 is the largest one. So 20 is the hypotenuse. This is one way to find the hypotenuse. And another way is, look here, this is a angle that is 90-degree, and just opposite to this angle, the side opposite to this side will be hypotenuse. So this part will be the hypotenuse. So R, P, Q, you can assume anything, you can name them as anything, whichever you like. And since it is the largest number, largest side, so this is considered as a hypotenuse over here, and remaining two are the remaining two sides of the right angle triangle, 16 and 12 centimeter. This is what I have written in a given data form. And now we all know how to find a right angle triangle. We have a formula according to the Pythagoras theorem. PQ square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to square of the sum of other two sides. This is the formula. So now we have to prove that the both sides are equal. That is, this part is considered as left hand side and this part is considered as right hand side. If they both are equal, then it is said to be right angle triangle. If this both are not equal, then it is said to be not a right angle triangle. Just substitute in this formula. Just substitution. Look, we have got all the values over here. Just substitute this 20, 16 and 12 in this formula. That is PQ. What is PQ? 20 centimeter. Just write 20 square is equal to, what is QR? It's 12 centimeter. So 12 square plus PR. What is PR? It's 16 centimeter. So 16 square. Always remember, whenever it is 20 square, you have to do 20 into 20. So it will be 400. 12 into 12 will be 144. 16 into 16 will be 256. Now just add this 144 plus 256. Then you will get 400. See here, LHS part is equal to RHS parts. That means this is a right angle triangle. I hope you understood this. Let's move on to the second question. Here they have given 6 meter, 9 meter and 13 meter, and we have to check whether it is a right angle triangle or not. Again, let's write the given data. Here PQ is a um, longest side because 6 is smaller, 9 is smaller, whereas 13 is the largest when compared to these two. So the largest side will be the hypotenuse. So PQ is equal to 13 centimeter, and remaining two you can just write down as PQ is equal to 6 centimeter, RQ is equal to 9 centimeter. This is a diagram. We have to check whether it is a right angle or not, right? Since we are going to check it, we are assuming it has a right angle triangle and naming it as PQR. So from this point it's only I have written this PQ is equal to 13 and so on, right? So PQ is equal to 13 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter, RQ is equal to 9 centimeter. It's just an assumption, right? Now, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we all know that hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the square of other two sides. That's why PR square plus RQ square. This is the formula, and we have to substitute this data into this formula. That is PQ. What is the value of PQ? It's 13. So just substitute 13 square is equal to what is RQ? RQ is 9 centimeter. So just substitute 9 square plus what is PR? It's 6 centimeter. So 6 square. Now just um, multiply this twice because it is 13 square. 13 into 13 will be 169 is equal to 9 into 9. 9 square means 9 into 9, 81. 6 square means 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36. Now just add this to 81 plus 36. So you will get 117. So here this both is not equal. Right? This LHS part is not equal to RHS part. That means it is not a right angle triangle. So our assumption of this diagram is wrong. It is not a right angle triangle. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.